47 minus 29.
Oh, okay.
And
so how do you solve this?
This is how. You can't really do this with fingers. So you might well borrow.
Oh, you might as well borrow. Okay.
7. Can you take 7 from 9? Nope, because 9's bigger than 7. So you borrow from the 4. 4. And then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So put 8 here. 8. 3 minus 2. Oh, 3 take away 2. Make that 18.
By George, I think you got it.